Namaskar, children. We have learned about the four main directions north, east, south, and west. We also have seen how to read them on a map in a previous video. Now we are going to learn some more details of map reading in this video. We can use a compass to know the directions, but this will be more useful if we want to find out a nearby place. But if we want to travel to a long distance or if we reach an unknown city, how will we understand which direction should we go to or which road should we take? There will be so much confusion, isn't it? That is why we need to learn to read maps. Now, you may say, when we have Google Maps in our mobiles, why should we learn map reading? It is because there may arise a situation where the internet is not working or the battery of the mobile is drained completely. We all live in different kinds of houses. Some are big, some are small. We also observe buildings used for different purposes. We also get to see roads and bridges and so many things in our area or locality. A few hundreds to crores of people live around us. Together, we are a part of some village, town, or city. Like we live in Pune city. Imagine it would be so much fun to explore our city, wouldn't it? So, many such villages, towns, and cities make a taluka. Many talukas make a district. Many districts make a state. Many states make a country. Many countries make a continent. And many continents make the earth or world as we call it. This is a map of Pune city. We know that our Pune is so big. Our city lies in Haveli Taluka. See how it looks like a tiny dot here? This is because there are many more cities and towns in the taluka. In the same way, there are many talukas like Zunnar, Ambegaon, Khed, Mawad, Mulshi, Velhe, Bhor, Purandar, Baramati, Indapur, Daun and Shirur in the Pune district. So, all these talukas make Pune district. Children, you must be knowing Pune district lies in the state of Maharashtra. Can you look at Pune district in this map? Right. And which are the bordering districts of Pune? Yes, they are Thane, Raigad, Satara, Solapur and Ahmednagar. And how could you understand this? It is because of the white boundary lines of the districts. You can observe that there are many such districts in Maharashtra. Is Maharashtra the only state in India? No, there are 28 states like Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and so on. This is a map of the continent of Asia. A continent is a vast section of land on the earth. Can you locate the country India in this map? And have you noticed there are so many countries in the continent? Here you can see all the countries in the world in this map. And all these countries are divided into different continents. There are 7 continents in the world. Now please observe our Mother Earth here. Did you notice the blue, brown and green colors here? The blue color indicates oceans while the brown and green colors indicate the landmass on the earth. To be able to read a map, we must know what is a map index and how to read it. Symbols, pictures, signs and different shades of colors are used to present information in a map. A list of these is given along with the map, which is called a map legend, index or key. Here is an example. As you can see, it includes a short description of what the symbols mean. For example, a small part of a twisted or a wavy blue line may be labeled as rivers. Let's see a map of Pune city. Children, is this a complete map? Yes, it is, because it is showing directions and legend both. Can you see the red dotted line? What does it mean? It is the municipal boundary of the city. Can you tell what these black lines on the map indicate? Very good. They indicate the roads. How do we understand that rivers flow through the city? Right. We can learn it by reading the legend as it reads darker blue lines are used on the map to show rivers. Can you read in which direction is the airport located? The airport lies in the north of the city. This is how knowing the places in the city becomes easier if we know how to read a map. Let's take one more example of the map of India. In this map as well, if you can observe, the directions are shown and the map legend is given as well. This is a map of a certain area drawn by some child of your age. He has shown so many things beautifully in this, but two very important details are missing here. Yes, you are right. The index is not given and the directions here are not shown too. This is a map of a house. Different rooms are shown nicely here. Children, this map is incomplete. How? See, the map key is given, but what about the directions? They are not shown here. With this, we come to an end. But before we conclude, let's revise what we have learned in this lesson. We can find out directions with the help of the sun. There are 4 main directions: east, west, north, and south. The directions on the map have to be matched with the directions on the ground before reading a map. A proper map has an index and the directions shown in it. Many villages, towns, and cities make a taluka. Many talukas make a district. Many districts make a state. Many states make a country. Many countries make continents. And continents make the earth. So children, here we finish. Let's meet in the next video with a new interesting topic. Till then, bye.